Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about how to fix the automatic repair loop Windows 10. And I want you to watch the complete video before you opt for any step given in this video. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, then click on subscribe button. Select all on the bell notification. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave your feedback in the comments section. Concerning a Windows 10 automatic repair loop, there are many situations that are likely to create it. Missing or corrupted system files are an example of the more obvious causes, where Windows cannot boot or repair itself because these necessary files it needs to run are not available. Other things that could cause a repair loop are newly installed components or connected external devices that are missing a device driver. If you've lately upgraded your PC, your new hardware parts will need device drivers to enable Windows to use it. If those drivers are not there, out of date, or not supported, it produces a repair loop, particularly for important components like a new graphics card. Other problems related to the corrupted system registry, malware infection, and even files not installed properly all cause this possible error. Thankfully, most of the fixes you can try beneath will work for most situations of a Windows 10 automatic repair loop. Method 1. Startup repair option. In some cases, startup repair fixed the user's problem, so it is considered as basic troubleshooting. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Click on Startup Repair. If you have multiple user accounts, it will prompt you to select the account you want to fix. Select your account and enter the password, then hit Continue and wait for the Startup Repair tool to diagnose and try to repair your Windows. Method 2. Regback command. With the use of this command, it repairs your registry with a good configuration of the registry you have on your PC. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Click on Command Prompt. If you have multiple users' accounts, it will prompt you to select the account. In the command prompt window, type C:, type dir, and press enter. As you can see, it says file not found, means my drive is different. Let's try D drive. Type D:, my directory is found in D drive. Now type cd /Windows /system32 /config. Press enter. Type md /backup. As you can see, it says a subdirectory or files backup already exists. This means I have created a backup before, which is true. Along with that, I created the backup with the name of backup and backup 1. Now I will use backup 2 as a name. Type copy ***backup 2. Wait for the files to be copied. Type cd /regback and hit enter. Then type dir once again and hit enter. Here, you should have a bunch of items with some 6 to 7 or even 9-digit numbers next to them. If you do not see the kind of numbers mentioned above, or if you have zeros as shown here, then exit this fix and move to the next method mentioned. If you are getting numbers 6 to 7 or even 9-digit numbers, then type the command copy ***. Press enter. Type letter A and press enter to overwrite. Now type exit and hit enter. Method 3. System restore. Click Advanced Repair Options to start. Click Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Click System Restore. Choose your username. Enter your password. Select Next on System Restore. Select the latest restore point. Method 4. Removed recently connected hardware. If you lately placed new hardware before a Windows 10 automatic repair loop began to show up, then the hardware you have installed is a possible cause of the obstacle. This is normally because of a lost driver conflict. Device drivers enable Windows to interface the device, such as your graphics card, with the software, Windows settings and third-party software. If the drivers are not there or installed properly, then this can obstruct Windows from booting up correctly. In most situations, removing the problematic device will enable Windows to skip over the cause. If Windows starts after the device removed, you can then look at installing new drivers or returning the part. For instance, placing a new graphics card add-on required downloading and install drivers from the manufacturer's website. Method 5. Basic command to fix the loop. If you can't instantly discover the problem of a Windows 10 automatic repair loop, the most useful point to do is begin with some basic system repair tools. While Windows not booting, you can make Windows boot to a command prompt window during the Advanced Options menu screen. Click Advanced Repair Options to start. In the Choose an Option list, choose the Troubleshoot. In the Troubleshoot list, choose the Advanced Options. Click Command Prompt in the Advanced. In the Command Prompt window, type /R/C:" to check the basic level of diagnosing. If it identifies errors, check disk will automatically fix them. Now check the Windows system files by doing the System File Checker tool. Type sfc:"scan now" to start. This could take some time to finish. Once you are completed, press the X icon to close the command prompt windows. Method 6. Deployment Image Servicing and Management Tool. The above method uses to fix the files using the local Windows image. Sometimes files become corrupted, however Windows replace them with the local image of Windows, but if the local image gets corrupted in case Windows cannot able to repair it. To fix other files, you can use the DISM known as Deployment Image Servicing and Management Tool to repair your system files. Click Advanced Repair Options. Click Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Click on Startup Settings. Click on the Restart button. At the following stage, choose Enable Safe Mode with Networking by pressing the 5-number key or F5 on your keyboard. Now Windows start up to safe mode, with only minimum services enabled. Once Windows show you safe mode, right-click the Start menu and click on Windows PowerShell Admin. It opens the PowerShell window. Type DISM /online/cleanup-image/restore health, and let the process finish, which could take some time. When the DISM tool stops running, restart your PC and use the above method to boot in a command line window. Follow the sfc command. Type sfc:"scan now", and press enter. By using this command you can assure Windows is fully repaired. Method 7. Disable Automatic Repair Loop. If you're sure that a Windows 10 installation is still working, then it's likely to disable the automatic startup repair system. This should enable you to start into Windows without the repair loop show up again. This will only work if Windows is running properly. However, if it isn't, you may require to think of more extreme fixes afterwards, such as restoring Windows. This will only work if Windows is running properly. However, if it isn't, you may require to think of more extreme fixes afterwards, such as restoring Windows. Select Advanced Repair to proceed. Click Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Click on Command Prompt. Type the command mentioned on the screen to disable automatic boot repair. Click on the cross icon in the top right to restart your computer. That's all for today. I hope the methods we have mentioned will help you to fix the problem. Thanks for watching.